Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com here with a very special collaboration collection unboxing. Today I'm showing you a pair of sneakers from the collaboration between Loewe and On. If you are unfamiliar with my unboxings, the way that I do it is that I start with a little bit of a story time. I talk about what drew me to a particular collection, a piece, a product, if there was anything noteworthy about the shopping process, and then I do the unboxing and I come back with my final thoughts. So I was online and I hear about this collaboration collection between Loewe and On. If you're unfamiliar with On, they're actually a quite respected and well-known athletic sneaker and sportswear company. The brand is from Switzerland, and Loewe was founded in Spain in the mid-1800s, but they've definitely become a hugely popular brand over the last few years. In fact, I think that Miu Miu and Loewe seem to be battling it out over the top spot, over the most, the trendy, most wanted, most desired brands right now. And when I saw the video, which I will link down below, of a representative from On and Jonathan Anderson talking about this collaboration and how they came together to create a collection that brings together luxury fashion and Swiss engineering, I was intrigued. So I looked at the page, I looked at what was available from the women's line, and I just had to order a piece for myself. These sneakers are called the Cloudtilt and are available in a number of colors. For the women's line, they came in all white, all black, a beautiful lavender color that I thought was really pretty, but knowing myself and how I dress, I knew that I would not be wearing them that often, so I skipped that one. In the men's line, they came in all white, all black, but then a beautiful navy blue color, and then a really nice dark like army green color, which I really love, and I really thought about buying that pair for myself because I tend to wear that color a lot. A lot when I'm not wearing black. And in that lime green, the lime green is available in both the men's and women's line. The men's sneakers seem to be a little wider from what I can see, so I decided to stick with the women's line. And while I love black and wear black often, I have a ton of black sneakers, so that's why I went with this option. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Jessica Flores and I am a lifestyle content creator. I create content about fashion, beauty, luxury, family travel, DIY projects, and so much more. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications for all. I make new videos every week, but I don't have a set schedule, so if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. So here they are. I got the all white from what you can see, and I think they're really cool, really nice. I am not a runner. I don't like running, so that wasn't really a draw for me, but I do still like to have athletic sneakers that are for working out, for when I go on my walks or when I do a little training whenever I get the chance. So that's why I was intrigued by these. I think the number one thing that I love about these sneakers is that the laces are stretchy and you don't have to lace them up. You just slip your foot in and out. And as a busy mom who's constantly running on errands and having to, pick up my kids and things like that, if I can just slip my sneakers on and off I go in a matter of seconds, I'm into it. Love that. I really do like this collaboration. My only con to this, if I can have a con, is that there's just not a ton of Loewe coming through. I don't know how I would see that. They're known for having kind of funky shoes and being, out of the box with their shoe designs. And I don't know if I would necessarily wanted that because I don't shop those kinds of shoes. It's a little too out there for me. Here are some examples of other Loewe sneakers. This one is called the Terra Volca lace-up shoe in canvas. Now, these are quite unique. They feature cutouts, a small section of laces, and they come in the Loewe logo print. And of course, when you're collaborating, the design has to match the other brand. So I think that's why these sneakers look the way that they do as opposed to these. But Loewe does have other sneakers that I really like that are not so out there. For example, this design is called the Flow Runner in nylon and suede. I really like these. I love that they're a little retro, and I really like the leather L on the sides. This one is called the Ballet Runner in nylon and calfskin. The website says, it's a lightweight sneaker crafted in nylon and calfskin with supple sole and elasticated sides, combining the construction of a ballet pump with the style of a 1970s track shoe. Ultimately, it's a good shoe. I really like them. Unfortunately, they do run small. I bought these, I'm usually between an 8 and 8.5. After having my last baby, a year ago, I've noticed that I'm going for 8.5 now. So I'm just kind of settling in with the fact that I'm just an 8.5 now. And these were in an 8. I think I just bought them really quickly. I would have ordered them in an 8.5, but I, was afraid that they might sell out. So I bought them really quickly and ordered them in an 8. So I have to actually return these, exchange them for a 9. I'm gonna go for a 9. Based on how tight they felt, I'm gonna go for a half size larger than what I normally get. So that's something to keep in mind if you do want to pick these up. And with all my videos, the links will be down in the description box below. It'll also come up in your YouTube shopping pop-up right here if you are interested in checking these out. But yeah, a good collaboration, a good price. These are $490, which for a collaboration with a luxury brand, also a well-known athletic wear brand, I think it's reasonable. It's not out there crazy. So I think the price is reasonable. Also, if you purchase these through Neiman Marcus and Bergdorf Goodman like I did, you can sign up to get text messages, and I think you get 15% off your first purchase. So I did that. I used that code to buy these, so I got these for less than $490 plus tax, of course. I also wanted to add that this isn't their first collaboration together. They previously released this sneaker called the Cloud Venture. And in fact, this release of the Cloudtilt is in 2 drops. The next drop will be in January and will feature the colors Sand and Wild Rose. So there you go, here they are. Let me know what you think down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.